Natalie, when is the expat tax deadline this year?
So while we normally know of April 15th, this year it's actually on April 18th. But keep in mind, that's for if you live in the US, and if you're an expat, it's June 15th.
What if I don't have to file a tax return? Do I still have to file an FBAR?
It really depends on how much money you have in your foreign bank account and other financial accounts. So if you have over $10,000 combined of max balances, again, not the ending, not the average, but the maximum balance in each account, added together, if it's over $10,000, you still have to file an FBAR. So keep that in mind, even if you don't need to file a US tax return.
What if I never claim stimulus payments? Is it too late?
It's never too late. Well, eventually it will be, but in this year, it's not quite too late. So you can still claim your stimulus payments around 1 to 3 if you file your 2020 and 2021 tax return, which you can do with MyExpatTaxes.
What's the physical presence test?
So the physical presence test is one of 2 tests on Form 2555, the foreign earned income exclusion. Basically, you have to be physically outside the US for 330 full days in a consecutive 12-month period. This can get a little complex if you're not abroad for the right amount of days from January to December, but remember, it's a consecutive 12-month period, so it can start or end in the tax year. Basically, a lot of calculating, or you can use MyExpatTaxes. Tell us when you moved abroad, what dates you were in the US, and we'll figure out that period for you.
And how much is the foreign earned income exclusion this year?
So for tax year 2022, the foreign earned income exclusion annual limit is $112,000 US.
As an expat, can I get a refund for child tax credits?
Of course you can. So as a US taxpayer, whether you live in the US or abroad, you're still eligible for the additional child tax credit, aka refundable child tax credits, between $1,400 to $1,500 per qualifying dependent, depending on what year you file in. So you can still back claim up to 2019.
What's the best way when I only want to file an FBAR?
You can use MyExpat FBAR, which is another service we have where you can file your FBARs directly to the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, aka FinCEN.
What if I can't finish my taxes by June 15th?
You can always apply for an extension. So we actually ask all of our taxpayers at the end of May, beginning of June, to file an extension using Form 4868 to October 15th. And if you need an extension further than that, you can always request an extension to December 15th via a formal letter to the IRS.